Anyone who invested in Bitcoin in the last few years saw their lives transformed. They earned millions of dollars while the rest of the world watched them rake in a fortune. Each of these people earned up to $10,253 within the first 24 hours after signing up for our beta test. Finally, you can stop watching everyone else get rich while you stay stuck in a job you hate.
I searched and searched for methods to make money from Bitcoin, but I didn't know how to get started. So, when I found your app, I decided to give it a try. And after signing up, I earned exactly $10,253 by the same time the next day.
This app showed me that even people like me with zero tech skills can become rich from Bitcoin. When I say rich, I'm not exaggerating. I made over $20,000 so far this month.
In the last 30 days, I've completely eliminated all of my debt, including my $2,500 a month mortgage. It was not too long ago that I found myself drowning in debt and not knowing how I was going to keep my home. I can say with 100% certainty that this app has changed my life.
Now it's your turn. It's your turn to make a small fortune from Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, just like the members you've already seen using Bitcoin Trend app. I'm thrilled to announce that we're opening our second round of beta testing. We've made our system better, faster, and even more powerful than before. As soon as you sign up for this beta test, you will bank even more profits than the people you've already seen. Our last beta test filled up within minutes, but don't worry. If you are watching this, it means there are a few spots left. To apply for the beta test position, simply fill out the form on this page right now. And to show you how easy it is to make money from Bitcoin Trend app, I'm going to open a new trading account and deposit $250. At the end of the video, we'll check back to see how much profit we made. In the meantime, book your spot right now, because as soon as Bitcoin and other big cryptocurrencies go mainstream, profits will explode, and your life will never be the same again. You can say goodbye to your job. You can breathe a big sigh of relief when you have no more debt. You can live in your dream house. You can travel anywhere in the world. Pay close attention. Don't listen to the naysayers. They are the same people who once said the internet will never take off. They are the same people who said Facebook would never go global. They are the same people who said nobody would want to use an iPhone because it doesn't have a keyboard. The days to invest in Facebook, Google, and other big companies are over. Investors have shifted their focus to Bitcoin. Imagine if you bought shares of Facebook when it was still just a small young company. You'd be a millionaire today. The same is true for Bitcoin. Just a few years ago, the value of Bitcoin was 79 cents. The value of Bitcoin today is $20,000. If you had invested just $100 a few years ago, you could have an extra $10 million in your bank account today. Big, slow corporate companies like Facebook, Google, and Apple grow much slower than cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies grow at lightning speed. That means you can literally invest $250 today and potentially walk away with millions in less than a year. Every day that you put off the lucrative opportunity Bitcoin has to offer, you become further and further away from becoming a Bitcoin millionaire. Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency is controversial. Will Bitcoin exist in a few years? Is Bitcoin risky? These are a few of the questions that hold people back from making a small investment and becoming a Bitcoin millionaire. Here's the thing, though. The people who are smart enough to realize that Bitcoin isn't going anywhere have already become rich. Let me repeat that. Do not be stopped by the naysayers. The same thing happened just a few short years ago when people were shaking their head at Airbnb. They said nobody would ever want to stay in somebody else's home. And today, Airbnb is worth over $1 billion. The same thing happened with Uber. People said that nobody would give up taking a taxi, and now taxi drivers are leaving in droves and becoming Uber drivers instead. Look, the opportunity to get in on the ground floor is happening right now. Bitcoin is still at the very beginning of the currency game, but it will one day become as popular as the dollar or euro, and it won't take very long. It's your turn to become an early investor in Bitcoin and rake in your millions now, or you will live to regret it. Its value is bound to rise exponentially. Are you ready to get started? In the next few minutes, your life won't look the same again. I'm going to reveal exactly how you can earn up to $10,253 every day, not just in the next 24 hours, but every 24 hours from now on for life. Do the math. That's up to $500 an hour every hour for life. So you might be wondering, how much is this system going to cost? Bitcoin Trend App is absolutely free. You don't pay anything at all. This is entirely free. I'll explain why in just a minute. But for now, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Andrew Jones. I'm the CEO and Chief App Developer behind Bitcoin Trend App. Just 15 months ago, my brother and I started this company after making millions of dollars from Bitcoin. We developed a system that could time the market so accurately that Bitcoin profits were virtually guaranteed. It works whether Bitcoin goes up or down. It works when any other major cryptocurrency rises or falls. We never planned on releasing it to the public, but we soon realized that the more people who invest in Bitcoin, the more profits we make. Because all Bitcoin investors gain when Bitcoin grows. Bottom line, when you invest in cryptocurrency, we all walk away with big profits. That's why we opened our app to 100 beta testers. The results were incredible. With almost everyone making hundreds of thousands and some becoming millionaires like we did, just as we predicted, our profits peaked after we opened our beta test. You could say that it's selfish for us to offer this beta test for free, but it's a win-win situation. You win because you earn tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars that you wouldn't have earned on your own, and we win because our profits continue to increase long-term. Now, all you have to do is enter your information on this page to apply for this second round of beta testing. It's only open to 100 people. Like I said, if you can still see this website, then you still have a chance. But if you wait and access is denied, then you won't be able to join us. There are no exceptions. This can literally be your personal ATM machine. You can withdraw up to $500 an hour every hour for the rest of your life. It's entirely up to you what you decide to do. Will you enter your email on this page? Or let someone else take your place? It's also up to you what you decide to do with your money. You can pay off all your debt, build your dream house, take your loved ones on a trip around the world. The choice is yours. Bitcoin Trend App works for everyone, whether you're a pro or even if you know nothing about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. All of the Bitcoin Trend App members you've already seen were in the exact same position as you are now. They deposited just $250 and made the money back within minutes, and they've been cashing in up to $500 every hour after that. You can literally put in $250 and walk away with up to $500 hour after hour and over $10,250 day after day. Look, money follows speed. The faster you sign up for the beta test, the faster you will start making incredible profits with the Bitcoin Trend App. Miss out and you may not have another beta test until next year or ever. If you're wondering if this is legal, I'm here to tell you that this is 100% legal. Our app crunches complicated mathematical algorithms and spits out the most lucrative profit opportunities with Bitcoin. This method makes your profits stable and consistent each and every hour. Book your spot right now by filling out the form on this page, and we'll take care of the rest. Are you ready to go back to my trading account? You might remember that I deposited $250 at the beginning of this video. So, after just a few minutes, here's what my account balance looks like. In just a few minutes, I've already made my investment back, plus $100 more. You can do the same. That's a guarantee. There has never been a single loss in the history of this app. Are you ready to turn the tap onto an average of $500 an hour in profits? So, if you're still seeing this video, you still have a chance to become the next beta tester. Enter your information right now to book your spot. We'll take care of the rest and show you exactly how to become a millionaire.